Tried it, but I don't know how to. I don't have preheating option in the.
Okay. So I will tell you, this particular size is 60-liter oven, the biggest size in the domestic ovens. Okay, and there are only three basic functions. Only three basic functions are there. This is your temperature. Okay, the temperature required, the recipe says bake it at 180 degrees or 170 degrees. This is the word temperature, means heat. How much heat you want, low, medium or higher heat. So this is the heat, the temperature. Second comes your mode. Mode means, if you will see here, we get heating elements on the top and on the bottom. These are our heating elements. So if I am baking a cake, I have to bake it on both heating elements on, both rods on. Okay. So this says, the knob is indicating over here, the two lines you can see here. It means it's saying both rods on. So both rods will heat. If I will turn it down, then only the bottom rod will heat. If I will turn it here, it means only the top will work. If I will turn it on top, there is no sign. It means no rod will work. Only the light will be on inside the oven. Okay. So third comes your timer. Timer means, see, when you are making a chapati, you have to preheat your tawa. You cannot pour it directly on the, like a dosa if you are making it, you have to heat tawa, na? It's the same thing. This is also tawa only or a tandoor only, where you are putting something to bake, to get it cooked, to get it baked. So it should be hot before you are putting anything inside it. Okay? So you have to preheat this. So this is the timing. Preheating should be minimum 10 to 15 minutes. This is a basic time. 10 to 15 minutes you have to just set the temperature, set the knob over here like temperature shall see here. I will close this, okay, and temperature would be 10 minutes. And now it's preheating it. I am preheating my oven. By the time I will prepare my batter, my oven will be ready. Okay? Now, one important thing, do we know this? The most important thing is every oven comes differently. Every oven works differently. Either you are buying the same brand which I am having right now. If you are going to buy the same oven, same size, it will also work differently. Now, how to understand how it is working differently? It means the temperature will be different. Outside, if I am setting the temperature 170 or 180 degrees, it doesn't mean the same temperature I am getting inside also. So how I will come to know that same temperature I am getting inside? So you need to buy this oven thermometer. This is your oven thermometer which you have to keep it inside the oven. You can keep it at the bottom also, otherwise whichever tray you are keeping it like this. Okay, here also you can just put it like this way. And after preheating, close the door and preheat your oven for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever temperature this particular thermometer is showing is the exact temperature of your oven. So if it is the same, no worries. But if it is not same as this one, suppose here it is 180 but showing 200 to me, so what I will do? I will reduce to 20 degrees. If it is showing 160 degrees, then I will increase here. So this you need to check. Okay, otherwise what will happen? You will waste so much of ingredients. It might burn, it might undergo. You will say it's not baking. I have kept it for 30 minutes, the same temperature, still it is unbaked. Or might be it's burnt. You said okay, I just kept it for 15 minutes and still it's burnt. Why so? Then you will need to understand how your oven is working. Okay, so invest in this because this doesn't come very cost. This is a very most important basic thing you need to purchase. Yes, oven thermometer. Oven thermometer. This is a big, especially for the oven only.
Tell me one thing. What is the life of an oven?
Life of an oven, if you are working it properly, using it properly, it can be long lasting like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Okay, depends on the brands also. It's not like a life on an oven.
No, because I think I got Bajaj, I think. And as you were saying just now that temperatures vary. So in the beginning it was working perfect, but now even if I put it at 150 for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, still when I take out the cake is not baked in the center.
Okay, then it is not, the heating elements are not working properly. So you see, 20 to 30, 10 to 20 degrees if it is up and high is fine. But it is, there is a vast difference like 50 to 100 degrees. Definitely your heating elements are not working.
Okay.
Then you have to
Time to change.
Time to change or repair.
Okay.
Okay, so they will change the heating repairing or whatever the changes are needs to be done or repairing needs to be done. They have to follow it.